Hi Pearl. How to fix faux error code on Frigidaire dehumidifier.
What's the brand and model of your dehumidifier? How old is it?
Fridgedaire 70 pint. Model fit 7033R10. About 2 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Frigidaire dehumidifier? What have you tried so far?
A week or so. Start up after unplugging and replugging, then quits with F0 OD after aobut 10 minutes. OPerned the back and tried to clean the coil sensor, be it same results.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope.
It means that the sensor is going bad or went bad.
Can the sensor be replaced? Is it worth it to replace?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.